Hey guys, welcome back to another session of Ria's Kitchen. So how you guys doing? It's really hot outside, huh? So to get some relief, let's start with another delicious and yummy drink, everyone's favorite, Aam Panna. Yeah, it's made with the raw mangoes or Kairi, what you say in Hindi. And without wasting time, let's start. Okay, so here I have 4 raw mangoes. I have boiled it in pressure cooker until soft, and now I will just peel off the skin and I will put it in the mixer grinder jar. Okay friends, so the mangoes have been cut and cut into small pieces, and I have put it in this blender jar. You can see kind of mashing, and now I will add juice of 1 lime, and here I have taken some black salt and here is some roasted cumin powder. Take some cumin powder, just saute for some seconds in a pan and then grind it, and that will be all. And so I'm adding this. Okay, and now some sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons or according to your taste. And here I have some mint leaves. I'll add this also. It will give a very nice flavor and also taste. And finally, some ice. Okay, so all the items have been added in this blender jar, and then we will now blend it into a thick and smooth homogeneous mixture. So let's blend it. Hi, our Aam Panna is ready now, and here it is. And while I was blending, I tasted it and I felt that some more sugar is needed, so I have added 2 to 3 tablespoons more sugar. You taste it, and if you feel also that you also need more sugar, then you can add it, or else if you take less sugar, then you no need of adding. And now we will pour it in a glass. Let me tell you, the Aam Panna is now really very dense, so I will add half glass of the blended Aam Panna, and now I will add half glass water and some ice cubes. Alright. So our delicious Aam Panna is really ready to serve, and the amount which I have shown in the video, it will make 2 to 3 glasses of Aam Pannas. So enjoy it and prepare it in your home, have it and let me know how it was. So if you like the video, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family, and send me feedback in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.